welcome to PLA Computers or YouTube channel. Okay, this is a grade 9 video tutorial for QBASIC debugging. Okay, in debugging, we have to do the program correction. So one wrong QBASIC program will be given, you have to correct it. Okay, my dear students, and there will be one RAM given. So RAM, it will say what type of program it is. Okay, for this example, number one, RAM QBASIC program to find the sum of 7 and 10. Okay, my dear friends, so here we have start. Okay, so start, so this is the number one error. Okay, because we do not have start function here. Okay, then a equal to 7 is fine, 10 equal to b, this is another mistake, it should be b equal to 10. Third one, sum equal to a minus b, it is writing sum equal to a minus b. We have to find the sum. What we have to write? Addition, not the subtraction. So sum equal to a plus b, this is the third correction. Print sum of two number is correct. Then last line we have here the end. Okay, my dear students, so we do not have such statement, we have end only. Okay, I will show you the output side by side. I will run here. Okay, but for your examination point of view, you have to write in your copy only, no need to uh, do this. It is only for your understanding purpose only. Okay, my dear friends, so start, it should be replaced by CLS. If syntax error, it will be shown by red line. Okay, so b equal to b equal to, it should be 10. Then finally, what is the last error? There will be end only. Okay, if we run the code, my dear students, you can watch. So again there is some mistake here, sorry, this will be next line. Okay, so 7 and 10. Okay, still we are getting -3 because we have not corrected it. Okay, because it is addition, so whatever correction you have made, okay, that we have to do here. Okay, because this was the logical error. Okay, not that syntax error, that's why there was not shown the red line. Okay, my dear, now program is okay. So after this making correction tables, okay, what you have to do, you have to uh, uh, write the correct program here also, because in question you can rewrite the given program. Okay, my dear students, so firstly I will correct it, and you have to underline it also. So CLS, next we make here b equal to 10. Okay, then in here what we made, sum equal to a plus b. Then finally last line we made correction. Okay, there won't be control Z. Okay, so there won't be the end, it will be only end only. So this is the correct program. In this way you have to write. Okay, now come to the second code, my dear students. In second we have to reverse the given number. Okay, my dear students, so RAM will say whatever program it is all about. So here is writing input and a string. Okay, so input, what it is writing, it is writing and a string, my dear students. In number there won't be any type of dollar over there. Okay, next line we have here do while and a string not equal to 0. This is also mistake. What it will be, do while and not equal to 0. Okay, because number no string. Then b equal to 10, b equal to 10 mod and a string. Okay, my dear students, so it should be b equal to n mod 10. Okay, because we are going to extract a digit. Then next line we have r equal to b times 10 plus r. Okay, my dear students, so it should be r equal to r into 10 plus b. Okay, because we are going to reverse it, so the remainder should be added to the new variable, remainder here b, okay, to the r, and each time it should be multiplied by 10. Third one, okay, fourth one mistake is n string equal to n string slash 10 division, normal division. It should be n equal to n backslash 10 integer division. Okay, then it will give the correct result. Okay, my dear students, so new Okay, my dear students, so if it is grammatical error, it will show like this. Okay, here also we are getting error. Okay, so it should be n mod 10. Okay, my dear students, next in this line we are not getting error. Okay, so I will show you what is the problem, because that is the logical error. So logical error, it won't be shown by the compiler. Okay, my dear students, so r, now I will run it. So 123, if I will write 123, reverse is 60. It is not the correct answer. Why? Because each time b is multiplied by 10, so we have to multiply r by 10. Then if we add b here, okay, this is the logical error. So you have to keep in mind these things, my dear students. Okay, now if I will write here 123, output is 321, correct? Okay, so that's why syntax error, it will be shown by QBasic, but logical error, it won't shown. So you have to remember these things. Okay, again I'm reminding, in examination no need to type like this. Okay, so only you have to write in pen, with the pen and paper in copy. Okay, my dear students, now I will correct it, because in question we have rewrite. Okay, so after correction we have to rewrite it, and as well as we have to underline also. So this was the first correction. Second correction was no dollar sign here. Okay, side by side I will underline also, and in this all line we are getting error. Okay, so here what it will be, and a string, and sorry, n mod 10 only. Okay, so same thing, according to our upper correction we are correcting it. So here r into 10 plus b, then what will be, no dollar, it will be backslash integer division. Okay, so this is our correct program. In this way, what you have to do, my dear student, in this way you have to write the whole program with underline where you have made correction. So remember these things. Okay, at first where is, you can trace like this one, so correct what it is, then you have to write the complete program. Okay, now come to the third question, my dear students. Here reverse, but we have to reverse the string. Okay, before we reverse number, now string. Okay, so rem to print string in reverse order, cls is okay. Input enter string w. Okay, so there is no string sign, dollar sign. Okay, my dear students, so in input, okay, in input line there is w with no string, so it should be w dollar. Okay, my dear students, second, for I equal to len dollar, so my dear students, in len there won't be any, never there will be dollar. Okay, so remember these things. Okay, it is len w dollar. Okay, so here will be len only, no dollar. Okay, after that I comma 1 is correct. R dollar equal to R dollar plus C dollar, this is also fine. Next P. Okay, my dear students, here I and here I, so I is repeating more than one time, that's why next should be replaced by I. Okay, because sorry, P, here is P, so P is only one time. Okay, my dear students, so I is repeating more than one, so whose occurrence is more in number, that too we have to keep, other we have to replace. Reverse, so in reverse order, what is here, here is C dollar. Okay, my dear students, so here we have C dollar in print line. Okay, in print line you can look, my dear students, we have C dollar, actually it will be R string. Okay, R dollar it will be. So CLS we have corrected here, len also corrected to 1. Okay, and my apology, my dear students, there is one mid only, so there will be mid dollar. Okay, so after len, there was one mid. Okay, so actually it will be mid dollar. Okay, so in mid string there will be. Okay, now I will write the correct program in QBasic. Sorry. Okay, so this much correction we have to make, my dear students. Okay, so here what we have here, we have input enter string double. Okay, so what we have to write here, we have to write $, okay. Then in len, no string. Then in mid dollar, we have to give a string because these are the syntax error. It is, that's why coming here, no error, it is coming, but we have to write, okay, because if you will not write, what will happen, I will show. Logical error, it won't be shown by interpreter, that's why logical error is difficult to detect, okay. If I write plk, so output is only p only, okay, my dear students. So what we have to write here, r, okay, because syntax error, if there is no $, it will be shown by QBasic also, but logical error, it will not show. Now plk, so klp is output, it is correct, okay. Now I will correct this one here below, okay, my dear friends. So here we have kept dollar string, okay, underline. Second, len, no $, okay, in len, underline here also. In mid, we have to write $, okay, so underline this also. Then finally we made here r, sorry, control z, okay, r. That's why now I will underline this one. So this is question number 3. In this way you have to write, okay, in answer. No need to write in QBasic software, okay. This is for general understanding only, I am teaching you, okay. Now here we have to find the commission on the basis of sales amount, okay, my dear friends. So input enter the sales amount AMT, correct, okay. Then select case AMT is also correct. Now we have case 2000 to 5000, okay, but here is comma separator, okay, in 2000 comma, okay, separator, in 5000, okay, this is 1000 separator comma. So my dear students, comma can be used in number, okay, like 1 comma 2 comma 3, but 1000 separator we cannot use in QBasic, so it will be like this, okay. Then c equal to percentage, so we do not have percentage operator in QBasic, okay. Here is 10 percentage, so this can be written as amount into 10 divided by 100. If we remove percentage, we have to divide by 100, okay. Then in case 5001 to 10,000 is also comma separator, my dear student, remember 5001 to, here is 10,000, okay, so it should be case 5000, sorry, 5001, okay, there will be only 20, okay, to 10,000, 1 2 3 4, okay, correct. Then 15% is okay. Now case is, this is also okay. Now here 20%, so it means 20 and divide by 100, okay. So what it is mistake here, c equal to amount into 100 divided by 20, okay, my dear students. So it should be c equal to amount multiplied by 20 and divide by 100, okay, my dear students. Then else case is here, else case is here, so it should be case else. Then select in is here, select in, it should be in select, in select, okay, my dear students. This much correction. Then one print also, because there is no print c, okay. I will show it with output, my dear students. So which is the syntax error, it will be shown by sorry, case else. Then here is in select, okay, it will be what is again, sometimes QBasic will give the problem, okay. So I will correct from upper one, okay. So here no comma separator, here also no comma separator, no percentage sign, we have to divide by 100, my dear students. Then below also no comma separator we have to use. 15% is fine here. For 20%, by multiply by 20 and divide by 100. Okay, this is the case else. Okay, then so end select, then end. Okay, so now this program is correct, but what is the problem? So commission is calculated but not printed. Suppose anybody sales make of 1000 rupees only, so no commission, it is correct one. But if anybody make 5000, it should get 10%, 500, but not getting. Okay, my dear students, why? Because no print statement. Okay, so we can write here print C. After C calculation, print C commission, after we have to print also print C. Now when we run it, my dear students, now we can get the output. Like if 5000 sales, then you will get 10%, 500, correct. Okay, so this is the correct program. Okay, so we have to make the rewrite the correct program, my dear students. Okay, so what is the first mistake? No comma here, no comma separator, first mistake. Then percentage symbol should be D. Okay, 100. Here no comma separator, and here 20 divided by 100, then it will be case else, not else case. Then our final answer mistake was no end here, so there will be end select. Okay, and after the C calculation we have to write print C. Okay, after C calculation we have to use print C. Okay, in order to print the commission amount. Okay, now I will underline whenever we have made the correction, my dear student. This is the practical purpose only, that's why there are lots of error. Okay, in exam you will have only 4 error. Okay, maximum 4. Okay, so in this line also there was comma, then this. Okay, in this 3 line there was error. Okay, so in comma, then we put percentage, then this one. Okay, fine, I hope it is same as this one. Okay, my dear students, and question number 5. Okay, so here we have to find the number, whether it is positive, negative, or zero. So input enter a number and a string. Okay, my dear students, so in input line, it is what it is writing, an string. So remember, in number no string. Okay, in for the string data only dollar sign, then s equal to sign and string it is here. Okay, my dear students, so remember we do not have a sign, we have sgn sign function and no dollar sign here. Okay, then next is case s. Okay, so it should be case 1, then -1 print is okay. Case 0, instead of case 0 you can write case else. Then there is select in. Okay, it should be in select. Okay, fine, this was the error. I hope you are understanding. So number 1 error was this, no dollar sign here. Similarly, no dollar sign here also. This sign is not the function, it should be sgn. Then we made correction here, it should be 1 here, -1. Then instead of case 0 we have to write case else. Then final mistake is we have to write in select. Now program is correct. Okay, so whenever I will write here, suppose 0, our number is 0. Okay, then I will put one negative number, so -2, so you can like enter a number -2, number is negative, then I will write one positive number 7, so 7 is positive. Okay, so we have to rewrite it. Okay, my dear students, that's why we have to make the correction here. So no dollar here, SGN. Okay, whenever here 1, then instead of 0 we have to write case else, then here we have to write in select. Okay, so wherever we have made correction, I will underline it, my dear students. You have to also underline. Okay, those line you have made correction, in both line we made correction. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5, so 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, fine. Now this is the last question for this tutorial video, my dear students. Okay, so in this question we have to find the uh, vowels. Okay, count the vowels in sentence. Okay, so input enter a string, so no dollar here. Okay, my dear students, so in a string we must use dollar sign. Okay, so it should be as a string. After that len, so in len, okay, so l equal to len dollar as it is. Okay, so it should be l equal to len then as a string. Okay, this is the correction. In len there won't be dollar sign, in a string we must put dollar sign. After that for k equal to 1 to l, this is okay. C dollar equal to mid dollar s dollar comma 1 comma k. Okay, this is also, this line is also not good, correct. Okay, so mid dollar s dollar comma k comma 1. Okay, individual number we have to extract. Okay, sorry, this is not the correction, so this is the mistake area. Correction should be C dollar equal to mid dollar s dollar comma k comma 1. Okay, then select case C dollar, then in case we have here A E I O U. Okay, so here what we have to do, we have to give double inverted comma case A in capital A E, then what we have to write I O, then finally U in inverted comma. Okay, my dear students, so case else, then count is fine, select int. Okay, my dear students, select int, it should be in select. After that next is only, so single loop it is okay. If you will not write also variable it will work, but if you write next k it will be more better. Okay, then print supplied sentence as string is okay. Now total vowel is C. Actually our what is, it is here count. Okay, so count is repeating 2 times, here C is single time, so which is occurring more time, we have to change. Okay, so in print, okay, in print total vowels, okay, in this line it is C. Okay, actually it should be count. Okay, my dear students, so let me run this code. Okay, so here first correction was here. Next in len it will not be dollar sign, my dear students. Okay, whenever there is take a grammatical or syntax error, it is coming. This is logical error, that's why no error is here. Okay, my dear students, so len should be 1. Then in each what you have to write, okay, a, I don't know what happened to this one line. Okay, so we have here case. Okay, in case what we have to write, capital A E I O U. Okay, my dear students, then we have to increase count equal to count plus 1. Then there was in select. Okay, in select, then next k, then we have to write print supplied sentence. So supplied sentence is as a string, that is dollar. Finally, print print, we have here total vowels. Okay, so total vowel we have here count. Okay, fine. Then program is terminated. Okay, I will run it, my dear students. Okay, there is one technical error where it is compilation error. Let me check, my dear students. Count here, one is missing. Okay, if I will write here is sentence, we have to write in capital. Okay, apple I. Okay, so in sentence apple I, we have here a e e e, so 1 2 3 4. So our program is correct. Okay, so I will again correct it. Okay, my dear students, so where we have made correction. Okay, so at first we kept here dollar sign. Okay, I will underline. Then this line also, it was mistakes. Okay, so in each correction line you have to underline it. So here it will be k, then it will be 1 here. Okay, fine. Then mid dollar correction done. Okay, now here in case what we have to write, a e I. Okay, in double income o u. This line is also okay. In the select should be there. Okay, my dear students, I will underline it. Here also we have made correction, so underline. This line also we made correction. Okay, so the line where we made correction will count. Okay, so count, then next k. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, in exam there will be only 4. Okay, in this way it will work, my dear student. And one more thing I want to tell, if you write here not k, then also it will be okay, because there is only one loop. Okay, but if it is nested loop, then there will be cause problem. Okay, again I will write here apple I, so our answer will be 4. Correct. Okay, so for the single loop it will not make any difference, but if it is nested it will make difference. So it is good practice to write the variable name after next also. Okay, so in this we have completed 6 question. Okay, if you have any more question, you can write mail to me at plkcomputers@gmail.com. Okay, so this much for in this video. Thank you very much for watching.